Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to review the Philips Automotive Lighting 2357 LongerLife Miniature Bulb. A top-rated turn signal and brake light bulb that promises to deliver exceptional performance and longevity. If you're looking for a reliable replacement bulb for your vehicle's lighting system, this might just be the best 2357 brake light bulb for you. Philips has been a trusted name in automotive lighting for over a century, and the 2357 LLB2 LongerLife bulbs are no exception. Designed to last up to twice as long as standard incandescent bulbs, these miniature bulbs are a great value for anyone looking to reduce the frequency of bulb replacements. Their filament design and specialized gas fill mixture help them last longer, making them a perfect fit for your car's turn signal and brake light needs. What makes these bulbs stand out is their consistent performance. These are not just any bulbs. They come with the original equipment quality seal that ensures you're getting the most reliable lighting experience. When replacing bulbs in your vehicle, it's always best to replace both at the same time to maintain a symmetric light beam on the road, and these Philips LongerLife bulbs are ideal for that. This 2-pack of bulbs is designed to meet the specific needs of your car's lighting system, and the compact size makes them easy to install. The 2357 LongerLife bulbs offer great visibility, so whether you're turning or braking, other drivers will see you clearly, improving safety for everyone on the road. In terms of value, the Philips 2357 LLB 2-pack offers excellent performance at an affordable price of just $4.23 for 2 bulbs. Plus, they're available for shipping to many locations, including India, making them accessible to a global audience. So, if you're in the market for a long-lasting, high-performance bulb for your vehicle, the Philips Automotive Lighting 2357 LongerLife Miniature Bulb is an excellent choice. With its extended lifespan, reliable performance, and great value, it's no wonder why this product is highly recommended for drivers everywhere. That's it for today's review of the Philips Automotive Lighting 2357 LLB2 LongerLife Miniature Bulb. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews here on Product Critique. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.